Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, and a viewer subscriber gave me a little tip. I was working with text the other day. I made this text 5 inches big. It's at 100% scale. It's telling me where the object position is. It's right in the center of my page. It's telling me, object origin. You can get a lot of that information from going to Windows, Dockers, and Transform and go to size or position. Let's go to size, and it tells you that it's 5 inch tall text, but that's all it tells you. It tells you in position that it's 0, 0, 0, or you can change the relative position where it's -14. But his suggestion, I never even thought about it before, if you go up here to your menu bar and just right click your mouse and open up a transform little docker, it's got all this information and more. So, well, move it, you can put it anywhere you want. And you can see it's in the center of the page. It's 5 inches tall. You can change the size from here, make it 6 inches tall. You can change from this being the XY in the center of the page to a 0, 0. You can still skew it from here. You can still rotate it from here. From the center, you can rotate angle of rotation. And it's a pretty neat little docker, and then when you don't need it anymore, just take it away, but you can always go get it right back. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.